Hey friends, who's thirsty? These do-it-yourself mulling spices for apple cider or mulled wine are perfect for chilly fall nights. In a small mixing bowl, measure 1/4 cup of whole allspice berries, 1/4 cup of whole cloves, 1/4 cup of whole juniper berries, 6 to 8 whole star anise, 4 crushed cinnamon sticks, and dried orange peel pieces from 1 small orange. Stir everything together and store the spices in an airtight container. To make mulled cider, pour 4 cups of apple cider into a medium saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of the mulling spices. Bring the cider to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 20 minutes. Strain the cider and pour it into mugs. Then garnish each mug with fruit slices or a cinnamon stick. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.